Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to Jet to Mastery. I would like to thank you at first for watching this video and for your interest of learning problem solving. So let us go to the problem statement. Today we are going to learn inverse of a number. So let's discuss the question here. So inverse of a number. You are given a number following certain constraints. So I'll read the constraints. The key constraint is if the number is 5-digit long, it will contain all the digits from 1 to 5 without missing any and without repeating any. So what first point says, so let's take your input is 1324. So this is your 4-digit long. So this is your input. It has a count of digit is 4. There is a 4 digit is there. So if your count is 4, there is a digit must be present from 1 to 4. See, if your number is 5-digit long, it will contain all the digit from 1 to 5. So if your count of digit is 4, the digit must be present from 1 to 4 without repeating any, like 1, 1, 2, 3. Like without repeating any and without missing any. Like here 4 is missing. Okay, so without repeating any and without missing any. So this is the valid input. Okay, so the first point says which one is valid input. So let's take 123. The digit of count is 3 and we have all the digit from 1 to 3. Every element is present. 1, 2, 3, that is present. So it can be in any order. 1, 3, 2, this is valid. 1, 2, 3, this is valid. 2, 1, 3, this is valid. 3, 1, 2, this is valid. But which one is not valid? 1, 1, 3, not valid. So 3, 2, 3, not valid. Suppose if is there any missing, like 3, 4, 5, this is invalid. Okay, this is invalid, this is invalid. These are the valid. I hope you can understand which one is valid input and which one is invalid input. Okay, so the first point says which one is valid and which one is invalid. Okay, the next point is they have defined what is inverse of a number. The inverse of a number is defined as the number created by interchanging the face value and index. See, here you have to consider the index from right to left. The index value is 1. So your index value is 1. So let's take this is your input 2, 1, 3, 4. Okay, I'll read the next one as well. So the third point what they are saying, so they have defined what is inverse of a number. So I'll explain what is inverse of a number. So let's take this is your input 2134, 2134, 2134. So this is your input. Okay, so this is your input. This is your face value, right? This is your face value. This is your face value. Let's take index value. You have to consider your index value from right to left from the 1 based index. 1 index, 2 index, 3 index, 4 index. So here what we are going to do, we are going to interchange the face value and index value. We are going to interchange the face value and index value, which means in the given input 4 is present in the first place, 3 is present in the second place, 1 is present in the third place, 2 is present in the fourth place. So let's write the index here. So the same index 1, 2, 3 here. This is the index value, but we are going to interchange for our output. See, in the input 4 is present in the first place, but in our output this 1 is present in the fourth place. We are interchanging. 1 is present in fourth place. Where is the fourth place? Fourth place is here. So we are interchanging 1 here because 1 is interchanging to the fourth place. Here in the given input 3 is in the second place, but in our output 2 is present in third place. 2 is present in third place. This is the third place. 2 is present. So 3 is present in first place. 3 is present in first place. This is our first place. So 3 is here. 4 is present in second place. 4 is present in second place. This is 4. So let's see the output here. If your input is valid input, if you have to consider our constraints accept only the valid input. Okay, so your input must be a valid input. Okay, if it is a valid input, you will get a valid output. So 2134, the perfect output is 1243. See, 2134 is a 1243 is a inverse. So you can take any number, any valid input. Like these are the valid inputs they have given in our example, 24153. Then the valid output is 24153. So let's see how, even let's take 24153. This is the 5 digit long. This is the face value. This is the index value. Index value is 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, every element is present from 1 to 5. So in our output, let's 1 2 3 4 5, these are the values. So but we have to consider this is the face values, and we are going to see 1 is present in third position, 1 is present in third position. Okay, 2 is present in fifth position. Okay, then 3 is present in first position, 3 is present in first position, then 4 is present in fourth position. Okay, 1 is present in third position. Okay, 1 is present in third position. Okay, 2 is present in fifth position. Okay, 2, this is 2 is present in fifth position, 4 is present in fourth position. After that 5 is present in second position. See, the given input is 24153, the inverse of a number is 24153, both are same. Okay, so like that you can take any valid input, the same thing you can check if it is work or not, it will be perfectly work. So what we are going to solve, so what is the approach? So I'll explain the approach. This is not I derived, so previously some of the experts have derived. Okay, so let's solve. So let's take, this is our input 2 1, let's take, this is our input 2 1 3 4. Okay, fine. So what is our output? The inverse of output is, so 1 2 4 3, 1 2 4 3. Okay, so how we are going to solve? Let's take, so 2 1 3 4, so our given input is 2 1 3 4. Our approach is very simple. So we know that we have to consider the index value from right to left, 1 2 3 4. So it's very simple. 1, the index value, into, so what is the digit here? 4. So 4 minus 1 power of 10. Sorry, wait, I'll write something, then you can understand. 1, this 1 into 10 power of, what is the digit here? 4 na? So 4 minus 1. Okay, 4 minus 1. After that plus next 2 into 10 power of, what is the digit here? Digit is 3. So 3 minus 1. Okay, plus 3 into 10 power of, what is the digit here? 1. So 1 minus 1, plus 4 into 10 power of, what is the digit here? 2. So 2 minus 1. So what is the answer here? 4 minus 1 is 3, right? We will replace here, replace the values here. So 4 minus 1 is 3, 10 power 3. 3 minus 1 is 2. So 1 minus 1 is 10 power 0. 2 minus 1 is 10 power 1, right? Okay. What is 1 into 10 power 3? What is 1 into 10 power 3? So 10 power 3 means 1000. 10 power 3 means 1000, right? So let's take 1000 here. This is 1000. 1 into 10 power 3 means 1 into 1000, 1000 only. Then 2 into 10 power 2. 10 power 2 is 100. 2 into 10 power 2 means 200. So let's take 200 here. Okay. 3 into 10 power 0. What is the value of 10 power 0? Anything power 0, it is 1. So 3 into 1, 3. So I'll write a 3 here. After that, what is 4 into 10 power 1? 40. So let's write a 40 here. When you add up these everything, what is your value? What is your value when you add up these everything? If you add up these everything, na, so your value is 3 and 4, 2, 1. So 1243. So this is the answer we want. So we are going to solve in that manner. Okay, so you can understand, right? This is the approach. So if you do this approach, you will get you will get inverse of a number. So let's solve. How we are going to do? First, declare the scanner variable, scanner clause, scanner sn equal to new scanner and system dot in. Then let's get the input into n equal to sn dot next int, and we need the index value from 1. It will be start from 1. So int I equal to 1. Its index values, index equal to 1. Okay, after that we need one more variable to sum up and store everything. So int answer variable is initially containing 0. So my task is I have to get all the last digit from. Okay, I have to get all the last digit. How can I get? While my number is greater than 0, always my number greater than 0. Okay, I need to get the last digit first. So int last digit equal to, how can I get? N mod 10. That's it. Then I have to add answer equal to answer plus 1 into last digit. Now first 1, after that 2. So here 1 is index value is containing 1. So 1 into 10 power of last digit minus 1. So I can directly use math dot power of 10 comma last digit minus 1. That's it, into last digit minus 1. In this one I should get the answer in integer only. For this one I should get the answer in integer only. So I'll do it in integer. Okay, integer, index into math dot power of 10 comma last digit minus 1. After that, what I have to do? I have to update my index value, because every iteration our I is incremented by 1. So 1 into 10 power, after the 2 into 10 power something, after the 3 into 10 power something. So index plus. Then once I have used the last digit, I have to update. I have to remove the last digit. How can I remove? So n equal to n by 10. Yes, I have removed. So finally what I have to print? I have to print my answer variable. That's it. So system dot out dot print ln of. So print ln of my answer variable. So we will give the 24153 as an answer. So we'll check. Okay, we can check the same answer 2134. If we get 1243, we will get the correct answer, right? So let's run. Okay, it's running. Okay, we'll give the input 2134. 1243. This is what I need, right? 1243. Okay, let's check this value. We'll check we will get this one or not. 2 4 1 5 3. This is the valid input. I need same 2 4 1 5 3. Yes. This is what I need. Okay, so let's see some dry run, then you can understand much more from this point itself. Add to the current page. Okay, our given input is 2134. Let's take our n is 2134. So this is my n is 2134. Okay, my index is 1. After that my answer variable is containing 0. Then while condition, while yes, my n is greater than 0 only. Okay, so my last digit is, what is last digit? 4. Okay, then answer equal to answer plus, initially answer equal to 0 plus, then index value is 1 into power of 10 power of what is last digit minus 1. So 10 power of 3. So 1 into 10 power of 3. What is 10 power of 3? 1000. So my answer variable is containing 1000 here. Here my answer variable is 1000. Okay. After that I have updated index plus. So index is right now 2. After that n equal to n by 10 means I have deleted the last digit. So my n is 213 in this case. Okay. Let's do the next iteration. While Yes, in this case also 213 is greater than 0, n is greater than 0. So my last digit is 3 and my answer variable is answer equal to answer plus, already my answer is 1000. So 1000 plus 10 power of 2, because last digit minus 1, 10 power of 2 is index into 10 power of 2. So index value is 2 here. So 2 into 10 power of 2, that is 200. So my answer in this case 1200 here. Okay, after that my index value is updated as 3, my n is updated 21, in this case 21. Okay, for the next iteration again 21 greater than 0, yes, in the while 21 greater than 0, yes, then get the last digit is 1, then answer equal to, already my answer is 1200, right? So 1200 and plus index value is 3, so 3 into my 10 power of last digit minus 1 is 0, 10 power of 0, so 3. In this case my answer variable is 1203. Okay, after that my index value is updated as a 4, from 3 to 4, then my n is in this case 2 only, right? Okay, after that while this is the iteration number 1, this is iteration number 2, this is iteration number 3, this is iteration number 4. So while 2 is greater than 0, yes, condition true, so last digit is 2. Okay, my answer variable is answer plus, already my answer is 1203 plus my index value is 4, so 4 into 10 power of last digit minus 1, that is 1, so 10 power 1 is 40. So in this case my answer is 1243. Okay, after that my index value is updated as 5, my n is updated as 0, because 2 divided by 10, that is 0. Okay, for the fifth iteration 0 greater than 0, while 0 greater than 0 condition false, so it will come out from the while loop, then I am going to print my answer variable. What is the answer variable containing? So my answer variable is containing 1243, and this is what we need. So if your given input is 2134, your final output is 1243. This is the inverse of the number. We have interchanged the face value and index value. And I hope you have understood this concept, and I will give my best actually. I will catch up in next interesting problem. Until then, bye bye, take care.